Hi everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Nikki. Today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to use 651 vinyl on just a Dollar Tree water bottle. 651 is probably my favorite vinyl out right now. I would like to just take a moment to say welcome back to everyone, to my current subscribers, and then I would like to say welcome. If you have not subscribed yet, you can hit the subscribe button down here and see lots of fun tutorials on how to use Cricut and other crafting videos, because I kind of do a whole bunch of other crafts as well and other advice videos. So if you would like to, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button down below. So like I said, we're just going to make this quick little water bottle with my name on it. I got this at Dollar Tree probably a few weeks ago. The funny thing is, some other girls in my other crafting groups were saying that they called Dollar Tree because the water was leaking from the lid, and Dollar Tree told them that these aren't actually water bottles, even though they're found in the water bottle section, and at the bottom it says water bottle. They are not dishwasher safe either, but they told them that you're not supposed to put water in here, which is weird. So anyways, it's been working so far for me, so I just decided to put my name on here, and I'll show you how to do that now. Alright, so I've got my vinyl selected, and I got my font selected, and I've got it sized the way I want it. And then I've adjusted the letters a little bit to give it more of a handwritten look. So I'm going to cut this real quick, and I will see you guys back at the crafting desk. Okay, so I've got my name cut out here in vinyl, and I'm just going to weed it real quick. I'm using, what am I using? Oracal 651. I really love this vinyl compared to other ones. I don't have a problem with Cricut vinyl. I really like it, but I've just found that 651 just weeds way easier and transfers a little bit easier as well, but that might just be because I'm using a different transfer tape too. I've never had the best luck with Cricut transfer tape. That wasn't too difficult to weed. I need to get a little trash bin. I'm still in the process of organizing my craft room and getting things kind of settled. It's a mess right now, but I'm kind of a messy crafter to begin with. So we'll get this transferred here. Anyways, I've got this piece of transfer tape that I was going to use for another... I was going to do something else with it, and it didn't come out, so I just have it cut and ready to go. One thing, I've been using this Blue Grit Grid transfer tape from 651vinyl.com. You can get like a 12x12 sheet of it for like $1 something. I really love ordering from there. I really like this transfer tape too. It's just, it transfers so much easier than some of the other transfer tape that I've used. There's a couple other ones that you get on there that are really great as well. One good thing about this is you can just stick it back on here and reuse this several times, and it actually is easier the more you use it. I think I did some decals at work a few weeks ago, and I ended up using just one sheet to do like 85 vinyl decals onto Yeti products. So I can't complain about it. It's really inexpensive and it works really, really well. I think I am going to cut this down just a little bit. Anyways, back to what I was doing. Where is my scraper? I still haven't got an actual chair for my craft room either. I've just been sitting on this step stool. But it works for now. I just kind of rub it down just a little bit. This 651 did cut a little bit all the way through, but like I said, this stuff I don't really have any issues with. I mean, look at that. That was just so much easier. I might do this in my lap. We'll see. Alright, I'm just going to kind of line it up where I want it here on the bottle. And just rub it down a little bit. I've had this water bottle for a few weeks I had every intention of actually putting my name on it the day I bought it. But I just didn't get around to it. That was that easy. Put this transfer tape back on here, save for another one. And then there you have it. I've got my name here on my water bottle that costs $1 and it makes it just look a little bit more fancier. And no one in the house can steal my water bottle now. So we just got done making this super cute water bottle. It took maybe less than 5 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you want to shop 651 vinyl, I've got a link down below. It's not an affiliate link. I just really like them. They're really quick. They're really inexpensive. And I just wanted to let you guys know about it because I absolutely love this vinyl. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.